hello YouTube. You can probably guess. We're over here at our property and just kind of looking things over. We got some, we got a guy coming that's a dozer guy. We're going to take that area right there where the truck's sitting and we're going to bring it down to this level here. And we're going to put a road all the way around and out here. And then here's another project we have. Originally we were going to tear this thing down, but the thing about it is it's solid, it's not too weak, and it doesn't leak water. There was actually somebody living in this thing at one time in Arkansas. You know, it don't matter. There's no building codes or anything around here, so it's been kind of partied out, destroyed. But somebody's already ran a bunch of electrical in here, and that wire anymore is so dang expensive that you know, to tear this down would be a big expense. I mean, just to get it where it's in this condition would cost probably $1,500, $2,000. The wood alone is worth that much. So anyway, got to work on this. Like I say, there's a bunch of electrical stuff. There's some kind of a spring, like for a little bed up there, and there's someone had a clothes for their clothes hanger there, and I don't know what this was for, but anyway, this is going to be one of the first projects when we get here, and we get a spot so we can park. What's going to happen here? Let me take you over there and show you what we're going to do. When we can park here, and we'll be staying. Then we'll have, I've got that U-Haul trailer that we hauled all of our motorcycle shop out here, Arkansas, with. And we'll take that trailer in one load to get rid of all this trash. Then we'll get in here and get this all cleaned up. But our property goes back there, just shy of that truck, where the ground goes up. So we're going to bring this level down to this level, and there'll be an RV spot here, and there'll be an RV spot over there, and then the road's going to go around this way, and it's going to go out over there, and then we got to cut down this front part. We got to lower it down. Intrepid, we used to have one of those. We're going to take that little hill out right there, because the motorhome is not going to climb that without the back probably bottoming out. So this is all going to be taken down here, and we're going to move that over there, and then fill that in, and then the water meter's right up here. Electrical's already here. They just got to hook back up to the pole, and the sewer's here. So the amazing thing about it is we were kind of told, my brother told me, you pay too much. But then when we got to talking, to put a well in, or put in sewer, or put a telephone pole in so you get electricity and stuff, by the time you get done doing all that, it would cost more to do that than what it costs for the property with everything already here. There's actually a gas line too. So, and we got these big giant trees. There's 3 black oaks, and then we got the one pinky tree over there. They call that, what do they call that thing? Some kind of a pear tree?
Red bud. It's a red bud.
Oh, it's called a red bud. That's all it does. That's its claim to fame right there. But anyway, there's Darla. And there's Cage. He just wants to get out. There's a bunch of dogs roaming around out here. He just wants to get out and get beat up. Can't get out here for a while. So there's a lot to do. The lady next door has been mowing on the lawn. That's why the grass looks pretty nice. She mows the lawn for us twice a month. And you know, it's nice. We got a nice, there's a pond back there. That's our neighbors. And she's real cool. And then this place over here, there are no cows and there are no horses on these properties right here. So the best part about that is, the bad part is we like to see the cows, we like to see the horses. The good part is you don't have all the flies. So makes a big difference. Makes a big difference. And then I was checking to see if we're going to have internet availability with our Verizon. Well, there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the tower right there. And my phone has like solid. It's got 4 bars. So anyway, I was just going to give you a clue on this. This is the edge of our property line. And then that's all our property right there. All the way over there to that, where that slanted pole is. And I don't know if you can see it way over there, but that one pole that's leaning a little bit to the left, that's the other corner. So pretty good size lot, pretty big, you know. And all this grass just grows naturally around here. This they had a compost pile there, and we're gonna get them to bury that, get that dug out of there and get it buried. Yeah. Still going to have to have a little bit of a slant because I kind of want the water to drain off back down here because there's a natural drainage that way, and then a little bit of drainage out the front. We got to fill that one low spot down there, so it will, because it kind of collects down in that low spot over there past that tree. Neighbors are nice. They wave. Like I say, you know, we don't have a great view, but you can see the mountains over there, and yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. House next door doesn't look too bad, but it's Arkansas. And what are the rules in Arkansas about if your neighbor has a bunch of trash in their yard?
Live and let live.
Yeah, you don't say a word, because you start complaining, then you're going to be living in an HOA. And then you're in trouble. Here comes Patty. So she's going to come over here and start the mowing. Anyway, that's an overview. Hope you enjoyed it.